We guide you through how to add Whiteboard extension in Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do once you're inside your Google Meet session, look at the bottom toolbar and click Activities button. From there, select Whiteboard or Jumpboard if it's available on your account. If you don't see the Whiteboard option, open a new tab and visit Google Chrome website or web store. Then search for a whiteboard extension like Whiteboard for Google Meet or Google Jamboard. Click Add Chrome and wait for the installation to finish. After installing, refresh your Google Meet and rejoin the meeting if needed. You should now see the extension icon near your browser's top right corner. Click it to start drawing, writing, or presenting ideas live during your meeting. This is perfect for online classes, team brainstorming, tutorials, and virtual discussions. Make sure to allow permissions if Chrome asks for access so extension works properly.